In today's video, let's talk about how to fix two-factor authentication lost. Now, if you're facing this situation, the first thing that you can do in order to get access of your account back is to use the backup codes. So whenever you turn on the two-factor authentication for a particular application, you would normally have the option of getting the backup codes. So if you already have generated the backup code, you could simply use it. But however, if you haven't yet generated, in this situation, what you could try out is normally you would see an option which says need another option, or it may also say try another way. You could simply tap on it and it will likely give you other options such as SMS, email, or even a backup devices if you have chosen so you could use those backup devices or your email or even SMS to receive the code in the second place. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, in the same section you will likely have the option of account recovery, which means you will need to submit or upload your ID, which needs to be a government issued ID, so that the platform could verify your identity in order to gain access of your account. So that's the way on how you could do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.